Hello dear students. Hi. So in previous classes you have studied about the reactions of haloalkenes. In that you are familiar with nucleophilic substitution reactions and elimination reactions and reaction with metal. This is all about haloalkenes or alkyl halides. So today's class you are going to study about haloarenes. Haloarenes. What is another name of haloarenes? The another name of haloarenes I told in a first class itself. Aryl halides. Aryl halides. So the another name of haloarenes are aryl halides. Okay, what is the definition of haloarenes? This is a halo means halogens. Halogenated compounds of aromatic hydrocarbons. Arenes are aromatic hydrocarbons. So in that nucleophilic substitution reactions of haloarenes. Nucleophilic substitution reactions of nucleophilic substitution reactions of haloarenes. Just I will write reactions, okay? Nucleophilic substitution reactions. So, aryl halides or haloarenes are less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reactions. Aryl halides or haloarenes are less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reactions due to following reasons. The number one is resonance effect. The number one is resonance effect. Resonance effect. You are familiar with this effect in PU, first PU itself, right? Resonance effect. For explaining the resonance effect, I have to take haloarene. For example, chlorobenzene I will take now. Okay, chlorobenzene. Benzene ring is highly conjugated. Conjugated means alternative single double bond, single double bond, single double bond. The benzene ring is highly conjugated compound. So the pi electrons are delocalized, involving in delocalization. However, the lone pair of electrons, 3 pairs means 6 electrons are there on chlorine. So, however, the lone pair of electrons are also involving in delocalization. For that, CCl becomes double bond character. So, the breaking of CCl is very difficult in haloarenes. So, the CCl bond present in haloarenes are very short and strong. So, due to resonance. You have to tell first in 3 lines. Benzene ring is highly conjugated. The pi electrons involves in delocalization as well as the lone pair of electrons present on halogen. For that, the CCl becomes double bond character. The breaking of CCl is very difficult. Then later you have to write these resonance structures. Double bond character, right? These two lone pair of electrons comes here. So this will move here. See, for resonating structure you have to indicate by 2 double arrow marks, okay? Double bond. See, 2 lone pair of electrons, efficient of electrons here, sufficient of electrons, efficient, sufficient, whatever. Then this charge comes here, this will comes here. Then see here you have to practice each and every reaction, okay? Especially for a resonance structure, at least you have to practice for a chlorobenzene. At least you have to practice for chlorobenzene. This is a minus sign as I am getting here double bond. So this minus sign will move here and this minus sign will come here. So here minus sign. Okay, fine. The double bond. Cl positive sign. So here Cl. So minus sign will come here. The double bond again goes to the same place. I am getting your Cl with the different position of double and single bonds. Okay, fine. See here, I am taking here this type of chlorobenzene. In the final product, I am getting the double bonds are moving. Okay, see here, there here single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond. Here is a ulta. This is about a resonance effect. First, you have to write three lines. What is how why nucleophilic substitution reaction will not take place in haloharines? Explain with resonance effect. If they ask 2 or 3 marks, you have to write in 3 lines. The benzene ring is highly conjugated and the pi electrons are involving in delocalization. However, the lone pair of electrons also involve in delocalization. For that, CCl becomes double bond character and the breaking of CCl is very difficult. So in haloarenes, the CCl is nothing. General CX bond is short and strong. This is about resonance effect. Then the number 2 is hybridization. You are familiar in my class only hybridization. Hybridization. Number 2 is hybridization. Hybridization. First I will take haloalkane. For example, CH3Cl. Okay, fine. This is a haloalkane. I am taking here again chlorobenzene only for explaining. This is okay. See, this carbon is attached to single bond, right? So this is which hybridization this carbon will undergo on sp3 hybridization. In haloalkanes, we can see the sp3 hybridization, but in haloarenes, what type of hybridization? This carbon is attached to Cl and attached to double bond. So this carbon is sp2 hybridized. So in aryl halide, the halogen is attached to sp2 carbon atom, and in alkyl halide, the halogen is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon. This increases the electronegativity between C and Cl of aryl halides. Hence, breaking is very difficult and less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. If the breakage of CCl is easy, they will undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction. If the breakage of CCl is very difficult, they will not undergo nucleophilic substitution reactions. Okay, the number 3 is number C. I am telling it as CR3. 3 is, as we know that in SN1 mechanism takes place in 2 steps. The first step is formation of carbocation, and the second step is nucleophile attack. So in haloharenes, the phenyl cation will form, right? The phenyl cation is nothing but like this. The phenyl cation. Okay, the phenyl cation is like this. Though it is less stable, therefore they won't undergo SN1 mechanism or SN1 reaction. Phenyl cation is very less reactive, so are less stable. Therefore, they won't undergo SN1 reaction. The last one is 4. So nothing but both nucleophile and arenes are electron rich, hence they repel with each other. Both nucleophile is also electron rich, yes, right? So and arenes are also electron rich species, though they repel with each other. This is about nucleophilic substitution reactions of haloalkanes. Why the haloarenes are less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reactions mean you can explain anything by your choice 1, 2, 3, 4. If they mentioned by resonance effect, you can explain. If they mention hybridization, you can explain, right? This is about nucleophilic substitution reactions. Fine. In your syllabus, the next topic is replacement of Cl by hydroxyl group in chlorobenzene. First, I have to write again chlorobenzene, okay? Better to write single double bonds, okay? Chlorobenzene. Benzene ring should be like this. Chlorobenzene. So the replacement of Cl by hydroxyl group in chlorobenzene. How we can replace this chloride by hydroxyl group? So chlorobenzene heated with NaOH, sodium hydroxide. You have to practice each and every reaction again, I am telling. So chlorobenzene is heated with a sodium hydroxide in presence of 250 degrees Celsius temperature. So the chlorobenzene heated with a 250 degree Celsius temperature and 300 atmospheric pressure with the NaOH in acidic condition gives phenols. If I replace Cl by OH, what's the product I am getting here? Phenol. Just write NaOH and 250 degrees Celsius. This is a OH. Okay. And removal of HCl. Removal of HCl. This is about the replacement of Cl by hydroxyl group. You have to practice, okay? In presence of NaOH, what will happen? The Cl is replaced by hydroxyl group, OH group. If the OH is directly linked to an benzene ring, that is called phenol. For each and every reactant and product, you have to write the names. This is chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene. And this is phenol. Phenol. Okay, this is about the replacement of Cl by OH groups. So, the next topic is nitro-substituted chlorobenzenes to compare the reactivity when NO2 group are in ortho and para. Okay, fine. So, you are familiar with the electron withdrawing groups, okay? They accept the electrons towards them, okay? So, the nitro group is electron withdrawing group. Keep it in a mind that NO2 is electron withdrawing group. The presence of electron withdrawing groups will increase the reactivity of aryl halides. When I am taking again a chlorobenzene, this is a chlorobenzene. If I place NO2 group and the chlorobenzene, the presence of electron withdrawing group increases the reactivity of aryl halide. When this NO2 reacts with NaOH in presence of, when this, wait, I have to write this name, no? See, here you have to name this compound. Before going to this, I will explain one here. So, ortho, meta and para positions. Just recalling. I am just recalling the, okay? This is ortho, this is meta, this is para. Okay? This is meta, this is ortho, this is para. Okay. First you have to take like this: ortho, meta, para, ortho, para. This is the positions of halo or halo, arrange or aryl halides. Okay, fine. This is ortho, meta, para. Now what's the name of this compound? Para nitro. Name first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 chloro. C as a first. No. 1 chloro, 4 nitro benzene. If it reacts with NaOH in presence of 170 degrees Celsius temperature, in the presence of H plus ions, what in presence of NaOH, what will happen? The Cl is replaced by hydroxyl group. So OH, NO2. Same. What is the name of compound? 4-nitrophenol. This is nothing but phenol. This is a fourth or para-nitrophenol you can name, or 4-nitrophenol you can name. Okay. If I place another NO2 group at ortho position, what I am getting here? The same thing. The temperature is different. 80 degrees Celsius. 80 degrees Celsius in the presence of H plus ions. Same here. NO2 group is attached here. So ortho meta dinitrophenol. Ortho meta dinitrophenol. This is a product. If I place NO2, another NO2 group, just I am erasing here. You should write in your book. Okay. Separate reactions. If I take 2,4,6 trinitrochlorobenzene, it just reacts. Warm. Just if you warm, I will get. In presence of water only we will boil, no? So in presence of water, the chloride will, so another NO2 group. So this is 2,4,6 trinitrophenol or ortho, para and trinitrophenol. This is about the presence of electron withdrawing group will increases the reactivity of aryl halides. We should write the sentence. The presence of electron withdrawing group increases the reactivity of aryl halides. See here I am taking nitro groups at only ortho and para positions. Why not at meta? Why not I am not taking at meta position means, see, can you think why does the NO2 group show its effect only at ortho and para position and not at meta position? Can you think? If you well known about NO2 group or electron withdrawing group, you can write on your own sentence. Okay. The presence of nitro group at ortho and para positions withdraws the electron density from the benzene ring, and this facilitates the attack of the nucleophile on haloarine or aryl halide. The carbene ion thus formed is stabilized through resonance. The negative charge appeared at ortho and para position with respect to halogen substituent is stabilized by NO2 group, while in case of meta position, so what will happen? None of the resonating structure will bears a negative charge. Okay. So the carbon bearing NO2 group, therefore the presence of nitro group at meta position does not stabilize a negative charge, and no effect on reactivity is observed by the presence of NO2 group at meta position. You can write in one line, no resonating structures are the negative sign at meta position, so the NO2 group will not be placed at in meta position. Okay, this is about the replacement of hydroxyl group by replacement of hydroxyl group, replacement of chloride by hydroxyl group. The next one is electrophilic substitution reactions. The next one is electrophilic substitution reactions. Electrophilic substitution reactions. Electrophilic substitution reactions. Substitution reactions. See here. Haloarenes undergo electrophilic substitution reactions like chlorination, nitration, sulfonation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, Friedel-Crafts acylation. Electrophilic substitutions of chlorobenzene only. For a in the syllabus they have mentioned only for a chlorobenzenes. You have to do chlorination, nitration, sulfonation and Friedel-Crafts reactions of both alkylation and acetylation. Okay, electrophilic. See here, I am writing again the resonating structures of chlorobenzene. Six lone pair of electrons. For the double bond character, they will move like this. Double bond Cl deficient of charge. 4 lone pair of electrons will move here. I am getting minus sign, and then here will move here, and then this comes to here, right? This is a one resonating structure of so other one is double bond Cl, 4 lone pair of electron with a positive charge. The double bond moves here. Here again I am getting minus sign here. So this is a second resonating structure, and the negative charge moves here and the double bond moves here. So double bond, this is minus sign, double bond Cl plus sign. So this is a third resonating structure of chlorobenzene. So if the negative charge moves like this, I will get the delocalized, means double bond moves. So this is the structure of chlorobenzene. See, the double bonds will move here, right? This is a 3 resonating structures or 5 resonating structures of chlorobenzene. Haloarenes undergo electrophilic substitution reactions like chlorination, nitration, sulfonation and Friedel-Crafts alkylation and Friedel-Crafts acylation. Due to resonance 1, 2, 3 forms, the electron rich at ortho and para, right? See here, this is ortho position, this is para position, this is ortho position. The electrons rich at ortho para positions. Further, the halogen atom will directing the ortho and para substituting products, not at meta, because of minus I effect. You are familiar with inductive effect, positive inductive effect and negative inductive effect. Negative means I am telling in one line, any atom or a group attack or withdraw electrons strongly than hydrogen, that is minus I effect. If you are not familiar with the minus I effect, you can tell only the 1, 2, 3 forms or electron rich at ortho and para position. Further, the halogen atom will directing the ortho and para substituting products, not at meta. Okay. This is about electrophilic substitution reactions. The first electrophilic substitution reaction is which for chlorobenzene is chlorination. For a chlorobenzene I am doing chlorination. Chlorination means I am adding chlorine. Chlorination. The number one is the number first electrophilic substitution reaction as chlorination. Chlorination. Once you practice all the reactions, you will feel very easy. If you keep on seeing only videos without writing, you will feel, oh my god, the chemistry is my allergy. So you should practice each and every reaction. Okay, better to listen the video in earphones. You will get a clarity about what I am telling in a sentence. Okay, so I can't write all the sentence on the board. So if I in a offline class, I may have dictate, right? Here I can't dictate. So whatever I'm telling, you should write. Whatever I'm going to teach you, whatever you are getting in your own sentence, you can write in your notes, right? If you have any doubts, you can ask later. Chlorination. Chlorination means I'm adding chlorine. So aryl halide undergo, chlorobenzene. For chlorobenzene only I am doing chlorination. In your syllabus they have mentioned only for a chlorobenzene. Okay, Cl. This is a chlorobenzene. Chlorination. Chlorination means aryl halide when treated with a halogen or a chlorine Cl2 in presence of anhydrous ferric chloride. Now to mention anhydrous ferric chloride gives para and ortho substituted products, in which para substituted as a major and ortho as a minor product. We are getting two products here. Okay. If you want a balance, you can take a 2 moles of chlorobenzene. Okay, no issues and all. This is para chlorobenzene, or you can name 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 4 dichlorobenzene, and you will get ortho. In ortho position you will get another Cl group, right? So this is Cl and also this is Cl. This is 1, 2 dichlorobenzene. This is about your chlorination. Chlorination means when alkyl halide, when haloarine or aryl halide treated with the halogens or chlorine gas in presence of anhydrous ferric chloride, we will get para and ortho substituted products, in which para is a minor product and it is a ortho is a minor product. So chlorination means you are going to add Cl2 in presence of, keep it in a mind that you are going to add Cl2 in presence of FeCl3 in para and ortho positions. Okay, this is about your chlorination. The number second electrophilic substitution reaction is nitration. 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 The second one is nitration. Here, nitration means, what is a nitrating mixture? You are familiar. 2s2 combination of concentrated HNO3 and concentrated sulfuric acid. King of chemical is concentrated sulfuric acid. So HNO3 is nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid in 2:3. If you take 2 ml, you have to take 3 ml of concentrated H2SO4. This is a ratio of nitrating mixture. If they ask, you should write the ratio of nitrating mixture is 2:3. Then a combination of nitrating mixture is concentrated nitric acid and a concentrated sulfuric acid. This is about a nitration. Nitration means they have mentioned chlorobenzene only. No, this is a aryl halide, chlorobenzene. Aryl halide heated with a nitrating mixture gives nitrobenzene and para-nitrobenzene. Gives nitrobenzenes, right? Para-nitrobenzene as a major and ortho as a minor. Okay, in presence of nitrating mixture HNO3 and H2SO4, you will get NO2 here and another at ortho position. That's it. Ortho position. So this is 1-chloro-4-nitrobenzene. 1-chloro-2-nitrobenzene. You should write, that's it. Okay, this is a chlorobenzene. In presence of nitrating mixture, you will get 1-chloro-4-nitrobenzene and 1-chloro-2-nitrobenzene. This is a para product, is a major, this is a minor. So after chlorination, nitration, sulfonation, the third electrophilic substitution reaction is sulfonation. 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 So, sulfonation, you are going to add SO3H group, acid group, SO3H group, sulfonation, adding of SO3H group. Haloarin, I am taking here chlorobenzene here, Cl. So, haloarin treated with a concentrated sulfuric acid, H2SO4, concentrated sulfuric acid, you will get sulfonated products. You will get sulfonated products means the SO3H group is added to para and ortho positions. So, Cl, this is SO3H and Cl, this is a para position SO3H. This is here first for the SO3H group, I have to give a preference for this. This is a first 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have to name like this, okay? So this is 2-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. This is 4-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. SO3H group is a sulfonic acid group. So 2-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid is a minor product and para is a major, that is a 4-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. This is about sulfonation. You should practice, and for each and every reaction you should write reactant name and product name because you are familiar with, right? This is a chlorobenzene. I am telling here again, you have to give a preference for SO3H group. So 2-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. This is a ortho product, this is a minor. This is a para product, write on your major. Okay. Then write the name. 4-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. This is about your sulfonation. So, Friedel-Crafts reaction. Friedel-Crafts reaction, F-R-I-E-D-L. Friedel-Crafts reaction. Friedel-Crafts reactions. There are two reactions. Mainly, explain Friedel-Crafts reaction means you have to explain both. If they ask by mentioning, explain Friedel-Crafts acylation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation. There are two types. Number one is alkylation and number two is acylation. Acylation. Alkyl group means you are going to add alkyl group. Acylation means you are going to add acetyl groups. COCH3, acetyl means COCH3 group, alkyl means CH3 groups or all groups, alkylation. This is a very important repeated questions. Friedel-Crafts reaction. There are two types: acylation, alkylation, and acylation, or Friedel-Crafts alkylation, Friedel-Crafts acylation. So, what about your alkylation means? Aryl halide. Again, I'm taking your chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene. Aryl halide are heated with the methyl chloride in presence of methyl chloride. You are familiar, right? Methyl chloride in presence of Friedel-Crafts reagent. In presence of Friedel-Crafts reagent is anhydrous aluminium chloride. Anhydrous AlCl3 aluminium chloride give rise to methyl substituted. Here the alkyl group is methyl, no? So you are getting methyl substituted products. Methyl substituted products. This is a CH3 group here. This is Cl and this is CH3 group. So when an alkyl aryl halide are treated with a methyl chloride in presence of Friedel-Crafts reagent is anhydrous aluminium trichloride gives methyl substituted product. This is a major, this is a minor, because this is a para substituted, this is a ortho substituted. You should write here the chlorobenzene, here the methyl group, right? So 1-chloro-4-methyl benzene, 1-chloro-2-methyl benzene. This is a product names. This is about your alkylation. So the next is acylation. Today's class of last topic is acylation. Friedel-Crafts acylation. I'm erasing alkylation now. The acylation, same. Acylation. I told acyl means COCH3 group. Addition of COCH3 groups. Acylation. I am taking here Cl only, chlorobenzene. So, haloarenes undergo, haloarenes are treated with acetyl chloride. Have you heard the name acetyl chloride still? CH3COCl. Acetyl chloride or acid chloride in presence of Friedel-Crafts reagent anhydrous aluminium trichloride. Anhydrous aluminium trichloride. What you will get? COCH3 groups at ortho and meta positions. First you can write two benzene rings. You are getting two products, right? Ortho substituted and meta substituted. This is Cl and this is Cl. This is COCH3. COCH3. This is ortho substituted and this is meta. COCH3. Here, if COCH3 group is directly linked to benzene ring, that is called acetophenone. 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 You can write this as I'm giving preference to COCH3 group only. So 2-chloroacetophenone. This is 2-chloroacetophenone. This is 4-chloroacetophenone. This is about your Friedel-Crafts acylation. Acylation, keep it in mind that you are going to add COCH3 group to ortho and para positions. When an aryl halide treated with acetyl chloride in presence of anhydrous aluminium trichloride, the Friedel-Crafts reagent. One more question. What does a Friedel-Crafts reagent means? Anhydrous aluminium trichloride. You will get 2-chloroacetophenone and 4-chloroacetophenone. See students, again I am telling, each and every reaction you should practice. Without practice you won't get anything. Especially chemistry and mathematics. It looks like, oh, it's easy. Like that you will feel, I know. As we are in your position, we will also feel like that. But you have to practice. If you practice one reaction 10 times, see here, one magic will happen. If you practice, for example, this reaction 10 times, okay, while you are writing in an examination or a test, your hands will never give up, okay, because your hands will write the exact answer. You will experience. I told today, right? You will experience. But you have to practice at least 10 times. Without knowing to you only, you will write. That's a magic of practice. Practice makes the man perfect. This is about your electrophilic substitution reactions. How many electrophilic substitutions are there? Chlorination, then sulfonation, nitration, and Friedel-Crafts reactions are 2. Alkylation and acetylation. So then tomorrow's class, reaction with the metals. Most probably I will end this lesson tomorrow in a next class. Okay, haloalkenes and haloalkenes over. Tomorrow's class, also I will discuss how much marks will come in this lesson. What's the important questions in this lesson. Okay, I will tell you how to practice each. And I will also give assignment in the next class. You should write, and I will send in your WhatsApp group. You have to write my assignment. You have to submit when I'm in a college.